ఓం వక్రతుండమహాకాయ సూర్యకోటిసమప్రభ నిర్విఘ్నం కురు మే దేవ సర్వకార్యేషు సర్వదా సరస్వతి నమస్తుభ్యం వరదే కామరూపిణి విద్యారంభం కరిష్యామి సిద్ధిర్భవతు మే సదా సాక్షాత్కృతం దయానందం పరమార్థస్వరూపిణం తత్వజ్ఞానప్రశాస్తారం ప్రణతోస్మి పరం పదం వాగర్థావివ సంపృక్తౌ వాగర్థప్రతిపత్తయే జగతః పితరౌ వందే పార్వతీ పరమేశ్వరౌ ఏనాక్షరసమామ్నాయం అధిగమ్య మహేశ్వరాత్ కృత్స్నం వ్యాకరణం ప్రోక్తం తస్మై పాణినయే నమః వాక్యకారం వరరుచిం భాష్యకారం పతంజలిం పాణినిం సూత్రకారం చ ప్రణతోస్మి మునిత్రయం. ఓం సహనా భవతు సహనౌ భునక్తు సహ వీర్యం కరవావహై తేజస్వినావధీతమస్తు మా విద్విషావహై. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. అల్పాక్షరం అసందిగ్ధం
అల్పాక్షరం అసందిగ్ధం
సారవద్విశ్వతోముఖం
విశ్వతోముఖం
అస్తోభం అనవద్యం చ
అస్తోకం అనవద్యం చ
సూత్రం సూత్రవిదో విదుః
సూత్రవిదో విదుః.
ఐవున్ రులుక్ ఏ ఓంగ్ ఐ ఔచ్ అయవరట్ లన్ జ్ఞామంగణనం ఝభంజ్ ఘఢధష్ జబగడదష్ ఖఫ ఛఠథ ఛఠతౌ కపై శశసర్ హల్ ఇతి మాహేశ్వరాణి సూత్రాణి అకుగ విసర్జనీయానాం కంఠః ఇచు యశానాం తాలు ఋతురశానాం మూర్ధాం లుతులసానాం దంతాః ఊపు పద్మానీయానాం ఓష్టౌ జ్ఞామాంగణానాం నాసికా చ ఏదైతోః కంఠతాలు ఓదౌతోః కంఠ ఓష్టం వకారస్య దంత ఓష్టం जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामे
राजमनिः सदा
सदा
विजयते
विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचर रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽहम्।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलये सदा भवतु मे
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु
सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
सा विवक्षामपेक्षते।
सु औजस् औक्षस् ताभ्यां भिस् ङेभ्यां व्यस् नसीभ्यां व्यस् नस् ओस् आम् ङि ओस् सुप् सु औजस् You can memorize this also. Pratyaya may not be useful immediately, but later. Otherwise also it is useful, even if why later. See, for example, if I say Marud Bigi, a word, Marud Bigi, what Pratyaya it must be? Then ending with Kartaya being a Pratyaya, it comes after the Pradipadika, right?
Tritiya vibhakti
Bhavachanam.
Yeah, Tritiya, because Bihi, bis is there. So all the Sakara you can see here. What are Sakara? Just, shas, bis, jas, as. All later we will see. It will become Visarga by Sandhi. Visarga Sandhi we will see. So Bihi, bis is nothing but Bihi. So Marud Bihi, Rama Bihi, Ari Bihi, Guru Bihi. What we learned? Ari Bihi, Guru Bihi, Ari Shabda, right? Ari Bihi, Guru Bihi. Rama is exception. Rama is always exception. Rama Shabda, a lot of exceptions are there. Ramaihi, not Rama Bihi and all. There is no word like that. Ramaihi only. But whereas Guru Bihi, Hari Bihi, Rama Bihi, Marud Bihi, all Bihi Bihi, Rishi Bihi, you can see that. Then Bhyam, suppose if it is a Bhyam, it could be Tritiya, Chaturtiya, Panchami, Dvivachanam. Bhyam, Bhyam, Bhyam. Namo Namah Shri Guru Padukabhyam. Why Padukabhyam? Because two other Padukas, right? Two Padukas. Two Padukabhyam. What vibhakti? Namaha Guru Padukabhyam.
Chaturthi Dvitiya Vachana.
Simple. Chaturthi. Namaha, whenever Namaha is there, it will govern Chaturthi. Guru Padukabhyam. Namaha. Gurave Namaha. Guru Padukabhyam. Namaha. Namo Namah Shri Guru Padukabhyam. Right. So Bhyam, Bhyam, Bhyam. So we can filter it out. It cannot be Tritiya. It cannot be Panchami because Namaha is there. Therefore Chaturthi. That's why we have to narrow it down. Okay. Then, so if you know, then Os. Oho, Oho. Ramayoho, Guruvoho, right? Haryoho, it could be Shashti or Saptami. Similarly, Saptami Bhagavachanam. Harishu, Gurushu, Marutsu, Rameshu. So from that pratyaya you can find out, the knowledge of the pratyaya is that, then you know what vibhakti is. You can easily make out. So it's better to know the pratyayas now itself. To memorize it is very good. So let us chant Rama Shabda.
Sir, all these are actually given by Mani Maharshi only, or
Yes. It's all, we have a sutra. You read the pratyas in the same order. Su, Aujas, Amauchas, Tabhyambis, Nyabhyambis, Nyasibhyambis, Nyasvosam, Nivosuk, Su, Aujas. That is a sutra.
okay.
That is itself the entire pratyaya, it's all in that same order, forms one sutram in fact. Of course, it will difficult to make out whether it is a sutram because sandhi would have happened. It's all sandhi would have happened. Now the form would be something different, but it's a sutra.
Sharanji, would that
Yeah.
mean other pratyayas with like similar to this suk pratyaya? Are there others as well then?
Yeah, think pratyas, tiptashri, siptasta, which are added to the kriya padam. Dhatus.
That is kriya padam, right? For nama padam, that's all? Only suk?
Nama padam only these are the only 21.
Okay.
Only these pratyas alone can be added to the pratipadikam. You get a padam. Nothing else.
Okay.
Yes. Right. Now let us stand. Akarantaha pullingaha Rama Shabdaha.
Akara
Rama Shabdaha.
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha.
Nama
So here we saw the pratyaya is Su. Su means it is just a sakara. Okay, that has no significance for who. We will learn that later. That Ramaha. Sakara is a become Visarga. Ramaha, Arihi, Guruhu, all over you can see. Then Ramo. Su Au. Therefore Au. Ramo. But only here you see Au, but not in Hari. That becomes Hari. Au becomes somehow Hari. Form becomes. It's all depending on the anta of the Shabda. And of course, gender also, right? Hari, Guru. But here you can easily clearly see here distinctly it is Au, Ramo, Au, and out. That's a pratyaya. Okay. Ramam, Ramo, Raman.
Ramam Ramau Raman
Rama.
Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi.
Ramabhyam Ram
Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha. Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha.
Ramabhyam
Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam.
Ramayo Rama
Rame, Ramayoho, Rameshu.
Ramayo Rameshu
He Rama, He Ramo, He Rama.
He Rama He Rama
Karantaha, Pullingaha, Hari Shabdaha. Harihi, Hari, Harayaha.
Hari Haraya
Harim, Hari, Harina.
Hari
Harina, Haribhyam, Haribihi.
Harina Haribhyam Haribihi
Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribhyaha.
Hare Haribhyaha
Harehe, Haribhyam, Haribhyaha.
Hare Haribhyam Haribhyaha
Harehe, Haryoho, Harinam.
Hare Haryoho Harinam
Haro, Haryoho, Harishu.
Hara Haryoho Harishu
He Hare, He Hari, He Harayaha.
Hare He Harayaha
Karantaha, Pullingaha, Guru Shabdaha.
गुरुशब्दः
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः
गुरवः
गुरुं गुरु गुरून् गुरुणा गुरुभ्यां गुरुभिः
गुरुभ्यां
गुरवे गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः गुरोः गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः
गुरुभ्यां
गुरोः गुरुवोः गुरूणाम्
गुरूणां
गुरौ गुरुवोः गुरुषु
गुरुषु
हे गुरु हे गुरवः.
हे
गुरवः
After that Rikaranta Shabda that we will see a little later. Then let us chant this also. Aham avam vayam.
Aham
Only Pratama Bhakti is enough now. Okay. Sunalitvam yuvam yuyam. Yeshaha yeto yete. All are pullinga. Saha taute. Kaha kauke. Strilinga. Rama rame ramaha. Akaranta Strilinga Rama Shabda Pratama Bhakti is enough. Rama Hari Guru, you memorize the entire Shabda. Pratama Bhakti of all the Shabdas, please know it. It will be useful for our Abhyasa. Yesha Yete Yetaha Satetaha Kakekaha. Now, Napumsakalinga Shabda Phalam Phale Phalani. In fact, Napumsakalinga is easy. Ditya also same. From Tritiya onwards, like same like Rama Shabda. Etat ete etani. Tat etani. Kim kekani. So remember this. Phalam Phale Phalani. Etat ete etani or tat etani. Whatever it is. Now, this we are going to do Napumsakalinga. Before that, this Abhyasa 6 we will do. Okay. Suryaha. I think we have not done this. Suryaha. We can use Yeshaha, Yesha, Yetat. Which one you will use?
Esha.
Yeah.
Yeshaha.
Pustakam.
Etat pustakam.
Nadi.
Yesha nadi.
Vastram.
Etat vastram.
Sarika.
Yesha sarika.
Nakshatram.
Etat natram.
Not Yete. Etat Nakshatram. Napumsakalinga. Nakshatram, Nakshatre, Nakshatrani. Lekhani. Lekhani meaning?
Pen.
Pen.
Lekhani is pencil. Ankani is Ankani is pencil. Okay. Ankani is marker or pencil. Lekhani is
Pen.
Vrishabha.
Yeshaha vrishabha.
Vrishabha, all same. Bull. Right? Yes, Chandasam, Vrishabho, Vrishabha. Chandasam, Onkaraha, Vrishabha. Onkara is like a bull among all the mantras. Yes, Chandasam, Vrishabho. There it is there. Lata.
Yesha lata.
Varunaha.
Yeshaha varunaha.
Vrikshaha. Etat Vrikshaha. Who says Etat? Don't guess. Vrikshaha is, where is Etat? How can Etam? If it's Napumsakalinga, Palam will be there, Etat. Yeshaha Vrikshaha. Like Ramaha. Yeshaha Ramaha, Yeshaha Vrikshaha. Palam.
Etat palam.
Patram. Patram,
Etat.
Chitram,
Etat.
Vyajanam.
Etat.
Etat.
Similarly here, Saha, Sa, Tat.
Sanaji, what is Vyajanam?
Vyajana is fan, right? Vyanjanam is consonant. Vyajana, fan. Chandraha,
Eshaha.
Eshaka.
Lekhika,
Saha.
Esha.
Eshaka.
Sa,
Lekhika.
not
Sa
Eshaha.
Lekhika.
Lekhika, by seeing the word, should be able to
Oh,
guess
yeah,
the gender.
Yesha. Yesha.
Sa.
Jalam,
Here it is Saha. Okay.
Tat Jalam.
yeah, you can say Esha doesn't matter, but not Yetat, right? Not Eshaha. Even if you don't say Sa, it's okay. But cannot say Eshaha or Yetat. Lekhika is Strilinga, Akaranta.
Sa.
Jalam,
Tat.
Tat Jalam.
Jalam.
Shariram,
Shariram.
Shariram.
Tat Shariram.
Shari.
Mrigaha,
Saha.
Saha Mrigaha.
Akashaha,
Saha.
Saha Akashaha.
Pustika,
Pustika.
Apustika.
Esha Pustika, Ashvaha,
Yeshaha.
Saha Ashvaha.
Vrikshaha,
Saha.
Saha Vrikshaha.
Yamaha,
Saha.
Yamaha.
Varnam,
Tat
Tat
Parna.
Nam.
Pushpam,
Tat Pushpa.
Tat Pushpam.
Lekhani,
Sa.
Lekhani.
Padaraksha,
Sa.
Raksha.
Deepaha.
Saha.
Deepaha.
Please practice this. Even though you know you just practice. Then Shukaha. What he says, I think.
Saha.
Yeah, okay. See the hand symbol, which is closer, and this hand symbol is far. So use appropriately. Eshaha or Saha, Esha or Sa or Etat or Tat. Now, number 1,
Eshaha.
Eshaha Shukaha. Number 2,
Etat.
Okay.
Saha Mayuraha. Mayuraha is Pullinga, and see the hand symbol which is far,
Oh.
right? Saha you have to use. Saha Mayuraha. Pustakam. See the answer.
Etat.
Etat Pustakam. Number 4.
Balika.
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 Number 5.
Esha Darvi.
Esha Darvi.
Number 6.
Saha Tarunaha.
Saha Tarunaha.
Number 7.
Eshaha Harinaha.
Harinaha.
Harinaha. Number 8.
Eshaha Vrikshaha.
Eshaha Vrikshaha.
Number 9.
Saha.
Saha
Saha Bidalaha.
What is Bidala?
Bidalaha. Bidalaha is cat.
You're frozen.
Cat.
Number 10.
Yesham.
Lata.
Eshalata.
But Sharanji, here the hand symbol is changed. So would that
Where?
mean for the second row, the hand symbol is changed, no?
No.
Just
For the this hand symbol for the entire column, entire box.
Oh.
This hand symbol for the whole.
Oh,
Okay. Number 11.
Tatpurnam.
Parnam.
Parnam.
Parnams.
12.
Tat Pushpam.
Tatpushpam.
13.
Pushpam.
Esha.
Esha.
Eshamala.
It's not only Yesham. I mean, now it's okay. Later, when you practice, your leisure. Esha mala, ete male, etaha malaha. Practice like that. But fluency is important. Right? We are doing Ekavachanam, means don't stick to Ekavachanam. All the Vachanam you need to practice. Ekavachanam itself, there is confusion. We are using Tata, Yetat and all. You practice for all the Vachanam. We cannot do all in the class. If you do, then half an hour it will have go for this. You please practice for all the, like starting from number 1. Yeshaha, Shukaha, Yeshaha, Yete. Yeshaha, Yeto, Yeto, Shuko, Yete, Shukaha. Similarly, Mayuraha, Saha Mayuraha, Tau Mayuro, Te Mayuraha, Pullinga. Similarly, according to Srilinga, it will change. Napumsakalinga, it will change. Practice for all the Vachanam. Okay, number 14 now.
सा देवी
सा देवी
Te.
सः मीनः
Okay, we have not seen that. Okay, we have not seen that. We don't know. Devi is that. Okay, we have not seen Ikaranta Srilinga. We will see. Sa Devi, it's okay. Number 15.
सा sorry सः
सः मीनः
मीनः
Saha Minaha Tau.
मीनौ
तौ
मीनौ
मीनौ
Te.
मीनौ
Te Minaha. Number 16.
सः sorry
सः
एषः
Eshaha Makaraha Dvivachanam.
मकरौ
Eto Makaro.
करौ
Ete. Ete Makaraha. Not Etaha. Eshaha Eto Ete in Pullinga. Esha Ete Etaha in Srilinga. Number 17.
सा जननी
Sajanani. 18.
जननी
चषकः
चषकः
एषः
एतौ
Chashaka.
चषकौ
Eshaha Chashakaha. Chashaka glass.
आह
Eshaha Chashakaha. Then Dvivachanam.
एतौ चषकौ एते चषकाः
Okay, number 19.
एतत् व्यजनम्
एतत् व्यजनं
Etat Vajanam. Dvivachanam.
एतौ व्यजनम्
No, not Eto. Ete.
व्यजने
Ete
व्यजने
Vyajane.
व्यजनम्
Etani.
एतानि व्यजनानि
व्यजनानि
Vyanani. After some class, we will not do. You must know this. Okay, we cannot go back and forth. We have to move on. Okay, you please practice in your leisure. All these vachanam. Right? Please do homework on this. Right? I mean, I don't know whether you write. Better to write. Even you write also. You have a separate notebook, Sanskrit notebook. Do practice. So later, now when you further study, then that time we cannot go and do this. This is done means it is over. We have to move on to the next step. You practice now itself, it is good. Don't postpone it. Spend some time every day, 15 minutes. Even the advanced class students, they find difficulty in speaking this. They're not fluent in saying, etat vyajanam, to be fluent. In fact, I would say that fluency in Sanskrit starts from this. If you miss that, then throughout you will miss. So please pay attention here. Do practice. And in fact, with the Kriya Padam, that's what we did in the beginning. Asti staha santi. Or any other Kriya Padam. But here there is no object. Therefore, we cannot use any other Kriya Padam. Suppose patati, girati, something is there. Can use. Okay, number 20.
सा कर्तरी
सा कर्तरी
21.
सातेताः
21 is there below. 20.
तत्
तत् छत्रं
Tachatram, Dvivachanam.
छत्रे
ते छत्रे
Tani.
ते छत्राणि
राणी
Chatrani. Chatra meaning student.
छत्रम्
छात्रम्
umbrella
Hmm.
Fan.
Umbrella, not fan.
Umbrella. Sorry. Umbrella.
छत्री
अम्ब्रेला
22.
Urukam.
एषः
एषः
सिंहः
सिंहः
Eshaha Simha. Then
एतौ सिंहौ एताः सिंहाः
Ete Simhaha, not Etaha. Ete, Eshaha, Eto, Ete.
ओके
एते
23.
तौ ते
उरूकं
तत्
तत्
तत् उरूकम्
ऊरुकम्
Urukam, not Urukam.
ऊरुकम्
Urukam, not Urukam, right?
what is ऊरुकम्
Not Urukam. First is
Shirt.
Urukam.
ऊरुकम्
Urukam.
Urukam.
Urukam means trouser.
हाँ?
Trouser.
ओ,
Yeah. Tat Urukam. Then Dvivachanam.
ते
ते
तानि ऊरुकानि
उरुके
Uruke. Tani.
तानि उरुकानि
Urukani.
Urukani. Right? Then next one, 24.
सा लेखनी
Salekani. 25.
25 is
एषः
एषः कुक्कुरः
Then
तौ कुक्कुरौ ते कुक्कुराः
Ete Kukuraha, not Etaha.
ते एते
Ete kukuraha. 26.
एता
शा गोशाला
Esha goshala.
गोशाला
एते
27.
गोशाले ताः गोशालाः
सः
सः बकः
सह बकः तौ बकौ
तौ बकौ ते बकाः
ते बकाः 28.
तत् मुखं
मुखं
ते मुखे तानि
मुखानि
तानि मुखानि 29.
What is that?
सा एषा महिषी
महिषी
एषा महिषी
एषा महिषी
ते
एषा नारी
30 is
एषा नारी
एषा नारी एषा महिषी एषा नारी. Now द्वितीयः पाठः. Now you can see एषः कः now कः कौके एषः कः. Please read one of you.
एषः
स्वर्णकारः
एषः कः. Who is this?
एषः
एषः
स्वर्णकारः
स्वर्णकारः.
स्वर्णकारः
एतौ कौ.
एते
स्वर्णकारौ
No.
स्वर्णकारौ
Question is एतौ. Cannot say एते.
एषौ स्ते
एतौ कौ.
स्वर्णकारौ
एषौ
एतौ स्वर्णकारौ.
स्वर्णकारौ
एते
एताः
स्वर्णकाराः
एते then what?
एते काः
आह
No.
एते
एते के.
के ओ
अह
के
एते के. एते.
एते
स्वर्णकाराः
Please understand the question. एषः कः एषः स्वर्णकारः. एतौ कौ it's all pullinga. एतौ कौ एतौ स्वर्णकारौ. एते के एते स्वर्णकाराः.
रामः रामौ रामाः
Don't mix up with the Srilinga. You have to be alert. This is only pullinga here. Similarly, सः कः. सः लोहकारः is ironsmith.
लोहकार
तौ
तौ गौ
तौ कौ तौ
लोहकारौ
लोहकारौ. ते के
ते लोहकाराः
लोहकाराः. एषः कः.
एषः
माला
मालाकरः
मालाकारः. गालर मेकर. एतौ
एतौ मालाकारौ
एतौ कौ एतौ मालाकारौ.
मालाकारौ
एते
एते
मालाकाराः
मालाकाराः
मालाकाराः. सः कः.
सः
कुम्भकारः
कुम्भकाराः
कुम्भकारः.
कुम्भकारः
कुम्भकारः.
तौ
तौ
कौ
कौ
तौ कुम्भकारौ ते के ते कुम्भकाराः
कुम्भकाराः. एषः कः.
एषः
एषः
अस्तिपकः
अस्तिपकः.
तौ कौ
Asti means elephant.
अस्तिपकः
It has nothing to do with the asta. In fact, asta from asta only we get the word asti. Asti pakaha. Esha kaha asti. Esha.
हाथी also came.
एतौ कौ
Maybe yes. Ahat is Hindi is hand. Asta in Sanskrit means hand. The one which has hand is called astin. Nakaranta shabda. In fact, so it's a compound. Asti pakaha is elephant rider. Etau.
कौ
एतौ गौ
एतौ अस्तिपकौ
Asti
Kau.
pakau. Ete ke.
एते के एते अस्तिपकाः
Saha kaha.
सः गोपालकौ
Gopalaka. Tau. Gopalakau.
तौ गोपाल
गोपालकौ
Te ke.
ते गोपालकाः
Gopalakaha. Similarly, now you can read now all the three. Okay, start from Krishna Swamiji. Please read. You will read, others listen. Other you can read mentally. No.
फर्स्ट वन सर
Yeah.
एषः कः एषः रजकः
Rajaka is washerman. Okay.
सारी सर
Washerman.
वाशर
Dobi. द्विवचनम् एतौ
एतौ कौ एतौ रजकौ एते के एते रजकाः
Yeah, read the next one also. The line.
सः
सः
कः
क-
सः कः सः तक्षकः तौ कौ तौ तक्षकौ ते के ते तक्षकाः
ते तक्षकाः. Next one. Read, please continue.
Shall I read, sir?
Yeah, please read.
Yeah. एषः कः एषः आरक्षकः. It's policeman, sir.
Yeah.
एतौ कौ एतौ आरक्षकौ एते के एते आरक्षकाः सः कः सः सैनिकः तौ कौ तौ सैनिकौ ते के ते सैनिकाः.
Yes. Next person.
एषः
Sundara, you read.
एषः कः एषः विदूषकः एते के एते विदूषकौ
एतौ
sorry एतौ कौ एतौ विदूषकौ एते के एते विदूषकाः सः कः सः उद्यानपालकः तौ तौ कौ तौ उद्यानपालकौ ते के ते उद्यानपालकाः एषः कः एषः न्यायाधीशः धीशः एतौ कौ एतौ न्यायाधीशौ एते के एते न्यायाधीशाः सः कः सः अर्चकः तौ तौ कौ तौ अर्चकौ ते के ते अर्चकाः.
उत्तराणि लिखन्तु. एषः कः? By seeing that you have to answer. Chitraji, read.
एषः कः एषः नर्तकः एतौ कौ एतौ नर्तकौ एते काः
एते के, not काः.
एते के sorry एते के एते नर्तकाः एषः गायकः
सः
एतौ
गायकः.
सः गायकः तौ तौ कौ तौ गायकौ ते ते के ते गायकाः एषः
Sorry.
I'm not able to read.
सौचिकः.
सौचिकः एषः सौचिकः एतौ सौचिकौ एते सौचिकाः
Okay.
सः कुम्भकारः तौ कुम्भकारौ ते कुम्भकाराः.
Yes.
एषः
Okay, next person. Arunji, you read.
एषः कः एषः धीवरः धीवरः इस् फिशर्मैन्. ओके. एषः कः एषः धीवरः एतौ कौ एतौ धीवरौ एते के एते धीवराः सः कः सः व्याधः
व्याधः.
व्याधः तौ कौ तौ व्याधौ ते के ते व्याधाः एषः कः एषः चालकः एतौ कौ एतौ चालकौ एते के एते चालकाः सः कः सः पत्रवाहकः एतौ कौ एतौ पत्रवाहकौ एते के एते पत्रवाहकाः
Te there, no? Not ete. Just
Ete.
yeah.
Huh?
ते
Ete ke.
Okay. Only te.
take
Oh, take it. Yeah.
I
Take
say
it. Yeah, it's okay. And now Srilinga. Dhyanena patantu. Now it is all Srilinga words. We have learned Rama, Rame, Ramaha, right?
Yeah.
So in the same form, you have to do for all the proper nouns. Bhrityar means Bhritya, Bhritye, Bhrityaha. Adhyapika, Adhyapike, Adhyapikaha. Pustika, Pustike, Pustikaha. Shikshika, Shikshike, Shikshikaha. And the pronouns Esha, Ete, Etaha, Satetaha. Okay.
काके काः
Yes. Who wants to try? Please try.
अन्तराय एषा का एषा भृत्या एते के एते भृत्ये सातेताः काके काः काः का sorry काः का
Kaha, Kaha.
no sorry एते काः
Not Ete.
एषा एते एताः एताः काः एताः भृत्याः
Yeah. You have that in the paper with you. Just see that and tell. Esha, Ete, Etaha. Have that Shabda with you. Esha, Ete, Etaha, Rama, Rame. That already the file I sent you. It is done previous classes. Just see that. Have that and then see that and you can easily say. It's okay to see and say now. Saka.
सातेताः ओके सा का सा शिक्षिका ते के ते शिक्षिके ताः काः ताः शिक्षिकाः
I sent the WhatsApp group again. Just in case if you want to just see that and tell. Sate taha taha shikshikaha. Okay, next one.
एषा का एषा वैद्या एते के एते वैद्ये ताः काः
एताः
एताः काः एताः वैद्याः सा का सा लेखिका ते के ते लेखिके ताः काः ताः लेखिकाः
Next person.
Esha ka. Esha makshika. Ete ke. Ete makshike. Etaha ka. Etaha kaha. Etaha makshikaha. Saha saka. Sa titilika. Te kaha. Te ke. Te pipilike. Yes. Te taha. Taha kaha. Taha titilikaha.
Pipilikaha. Okay. Next one.
Esha ka. Esha Syatika.
Stalika.
Stalika. Stalika.
Stalika means plate.
Plate. Esha ete ke. एते स्थालिके एताः काः एताः स्थालिकाः सा का सा द्विचक्रिका सा ते का ते के ते द्विचक्रिके ताः ताः काः ताः द्विचक्रिकाः
Yes, good.
एषा काः एषा गृहिणी
Esha, not kaha. Esha ka.
सारी एषा का एषा गृहिणी
That's okay.
एते
Only ekavachana is enough. Yeah, please continue.
एते के
Not
एते
required. No, not required. The beginning, Nadi Shabda, we have not seen.
ओके सा का सा सन्यासिनी what do I do? Do I tell the others?
Yeah. Not required. You cannot do it because Ikaranta I have not taught you.
Okay. एषा का एषा पुत्री सा का सा जननी
Hmm.
एषा
Yes.
का एषा सम्मार्जनी सा का
Esha Sammarjani. E, it's Dirga.
सम्मार्जनी सा का सा द्रोणी एषा का एषा समदर्वी समदर्वी सा का
Samadarvi.
समदर्वी सा का सा कर्तरी
Kartari. Oh. Next person. Please try. Who wants to do? Esha ka.
एषा का
एषा
एषा गायिका
Just to read ekavachana already is enough. Next one. Sa ka.
सा का सा उपसारिका उपचारिका
Upacharika means nurse. You can
Yeah,
note all the words. Vocabulary
okay.
important. Gaika, Upacharika, whatever words we have seen. Takshaka, Rajaka,
Mm.
right? And then Esha,
एषा का एषा तुला तुला
not Tula.
तुला oh
Tula
yes
Bhara, we say no.
तुला
Tula Bharam.
शा तुला सा का सा मधु मधुमक्षिका
Makshika.
मधुमक्षिका एषा का एषा गोदिका
Griha Godika.
गृहगोदिका सा का सा लता एषा का एषा सूची सा
Suchi.
का सूची सा का सा पुनः पूरणी
Punaf Purani. Refiller.
yes okay sir एषा का एषा पत्र चूची
Patra Suchi.
पत्र सूची सा का सा वेलनी
Yes. Now, Napumsakalinga. Yanena Patantu. Etat Kim.
एतत् भवनम् Only
And
the
Dvivachanam.
okay एते भवने एतानि भवानि
Bhavanani, not Bhavani.
भवनानि sorry भवनानि
Bhavani, what Bhavani here?
भवनं
Bhavani.
भवने भवनं
Bhavana. Palam Pale Palani.
भवनं
Bhavanani.
भवने भवनानि
Tat Kim.
तत् किं तत् मन्दिरम्
Eh?
एते okay तत् ते मन्दिरे तानि मन्दिराणि
Etat Kim.
एतत् किम् एतत् वातायनं
Window.
वातायनम् एते वातायने एतानि वातायनानि तत् किं तत् सोपानं ते सोपाने तानि सोपानानि एतत् किम् एतत् छत्रम् ते के I'll do that किं के
Yeah, do it. Yes.
एतत् किम् एतत् छत्रं ते के sorry एते के एते छत्रे एतानि कानि एतानि छत्राणि तत् किं तत् नक्षत्रं एते के
तत् के
sorry तत् के
sorry ते के क्षम्यतां ते के
के तत् किं तत् नक्षत्रं ते के ते नक्षत्रे तानि कानि तानि नक्षत्राणि एतत् किम् एतत् कमलम् एते के एते कमले तानि कानि तानि
एतानि कानि एतानि
तानि कानि एतानि कमलानि तत् किं तत् चम्पकम् ते के ते चम्पके तानि कानि तानि चम्पकानि एतत् किम् एतत् पुस्तकम् एते के एते पुस्तके एतानि कानि एतानि पुस्तकानि
that is pustakam. Yutakam is there.
युतकम् sorry युतकम्
Yutakam is shirt. Pustakam book. Where is the book?
yeah no I just
Okay, anyway, it's okay, fine. Continue. Next one.
तत् किं तत् ऊरुकम् ते के ते ऊरुके तानि कानि तानि ऊरुकानि
Urukani. Etat kim?
एतत् पर्णम् एते के एते पर्णे एतानि कानि एतानि पर्णानि
Okay, let other person do. Vika, who wants to do? Next person try.
Can I
Can
try?
I do?
Yeah, please do.
Savitri, so you are going?
no you ask
You
someone
do.
else.
Yeah, Usha, you do it quickly. Come on.
Tat kim? Tat mukham. Te ke te mukhe. Tani kani tani mukhani. Savitri ji, you please go.
Okay तत् किं तत् क्रीडनकम्
Etat kim?
sorry एतत् किम् एतत् क्रीडनकम् एते के एते क्रीडनके एतानि कानि एतानि क्रीडनकानि
Savitri, you read no just now. Next person will do.
someone said that's why I read yeah
Can I try, Chitra?
Yeah, Chitra, you do it.
Okay. तत् क्रीडनकम्
It's okay. Next one, Chakaram.
तत् चक्रम् एतत् चक्रम् so sorry तत् चक्रम् एतत् उदरं तत् हृदयं
Okay.
तत् तत् पनसं
Etat kim? Etat panasam.
तत् किम् एतत् तत् पनसं एतत् किम् एतत् आलुकम्
You are changing everything ulta. Etat kim? Etat panasam. Tat kim? Tat alukam.
एतत्
Okay.
पनसं
alukam is
Okay.
potato only huh?
Yes, potato. Yeah, next person.
एतत् आम्रं तत् दाडिमम्
Dadimapalam. Dadimam is pomegranate. You do all the vachanam. Etat kim? Etat amram. Ete ke.
एतत् आम्रं तत् किम् तत् दाडिमम्
You do all the vachanam. I said all the vachanam of the sentence. Etat kim? Ete ke? Etani kani.
एतत् आम्रम् एते आम्रे एतानि कानि एते आम्राणि
Etani amrani.
तानि आम्राणि तत् किं तत् दाडिमं ते के ते दाडिममे
Dadimame. Dadime only.
दाडिमे तानि तानि दाडिमानि tat tat kim
Hmm.
etat kim etat
Tat kim, tat kim, tat kadali palam.
kadali palam ta te kan te ke ete ke
Te ke. Why
te
struggle?
ke
Tat kim, tat kadali palam. Why you struggle? It's
phone.
there.
Still, I'm
Huh?
using the phone. I'm not getting used to the laptops, Sharan.
So it's not required, but you can have in your piece of paper, write the forms. Already the
Okay.
material is there, right? So you have
Yeah,
a
right.
piece of
Only
paper, write it, see that and tell. Tat kim,
I know
tat ke, te ke tani kani. Answer will be appropriate to it.
my youngsters are all living somewhere else. So I
Not
have
required.
my
You are write in a piece of paper. I think nobody has, I think, that writes notes. I think you have to write it.
I'm
Write the
writing.
forms. Write the forms and keep that right in front of you and just see that and say, Tattva kim, answer will be Tattva kadali palam ekavachanam. Then for dvivachanam, accordingly change that. It is like
That
Sri Lanka, I sent, all this is already you have it.
thing
Palam
is, I
pale
know
palani, Tattva
I know
kim, Tattva
J
and kim,
I'm
Tattva
struggling.
palam.
Tat palam.
Similarly, etat kim, etat palam.
Okay.
Kriyapadam also, you know, it you can use asti, staha, santi, but anyway, I don't know whether it become too much for you. Tattva
I
kim,
know
okay.
J. Definitely I know the forms, but still I'm not fast enough. That's what I feel.
Not fast,
And
fast not required. You don't have to be fast. You can tell, you can read slowly. Who said, who wanted
I,
you to read fast? Read
I
slowly, clearly, without any mistake. That's okay. That's what I
know.
expected. Tattva kim, Tattva
Tat
kadali palam. That's how it should be read. Not
tat
quickly, not fastly. Tat kim, tat kadali palam, te ke, te kadali pale, tani
ta
kani, tani kadali palani. Read slowly.
okay.
Then
Shall I do it again? Tat kim tat kadali palam. Te ke te kadali pale. Tani kani tani kadali palani. I
next
That's
one.
enough for
Huh? This is enough for
one time
okay.
that
Hmm.
okay.
Can I go?
Lashunam. Next one. I mean, whoever wants to read, please read.
Etat kim?
Hmm.
Etat lashunam.
Etat kim, tat lashunam. The inappropriate answer is etat kim. What is it? That is lashunam. No.
No, no,
Etat kim, etat lashunam. Answer should be
I didn't understand.
etat kim.
Yeah.
Question. The answer should be etat lashunam, not tat lashunam.
Yeah, I told etat lashunam only. Anyway, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Etat kim? Etat lashunam.
Hmm.
Ete ke? Ete lashunehi. Etani kani. Etani lashunani. Etat kim?
Hmm.
Etat vyajanam.
Hmm.
Ete ke? Ete vyajane. Etani kani. Etani vyajanani.
Vijanani. Okay.
Tat kim? Tat kamalam. Te ke? Te kamale. Tani kani. Tani kamalani.
Hmm.
Tat kim? Tat padamshukam.
Padamshukam.
Sorry, padamshukam. Te ke? Te padamshuke.
Hmm.
Tani kani. Tani padamshukani. Okay.
Next one. Etat kim is the same page.
Okay.
Right side.
Etat kim?
Hmm.
Etat karamshukam. Ete ke?
Hmm.
Yete karamshuke. Yetani kani. Yetani karamshukani.
Yes.
Karamshukani.
Karamshuka. Kara is and pada is feet.
Yeah.
Padamshuka pant. Karamshuka shirt.
Okay.
Uttaka is t-shirt. Okay. So, kaha ka kim prashnavachakaha ete prashnavachakaha. You can see ete bhagavachanam prashnavachakaha. These are interrogatives. Prashnavachakaha. Then kaha is given only ekavachanam. We have done dvivachanam bhagavachanam. It's going to come later. We have done in advance. So that is, you can practice this. You have got enough time. Okay, then I think with this is the last page of this part. Chitrani drishtva uttarani likantu. Yeshah kaha
एषः मूषकः
मूषकः. सः कः
बिडालः
बिडालः.
Marjala.
Jani.
Yeah, that also you can say. Marjarah is also another word.
Marjara.
Yeshah kaha. Number 3.
Yeshara Mayuraka.
दूरः
Mayuraha pullinga. Strilinge.
Mayura.
Mayuri.
Mayuri. It's not Mayura.
Mayuri.
It's not always like that. Ajaha pullinga. Strilinge. Not
Aja.
Aji. Okay, Aja only. Don't make it like Mayura, Mayuri, Aja, Aji. Not Aji at all. Ajaha is Aja. Gajaha. Gaja,
Gaja.
not Gaji. Okay. So you need to know the words. Saha kaha.
Saha shukah.
Shukaha. Saha eshaha kaha.
Meshaha.
Meshaha. Saha sa ka. See, I mix up all now.
Ah,
Aja.
Sa aja.
Aja.
Esha ka.
Esha.
Sa ka.
She, sa, Sri.
अध्यापिका
So you have a lot of objects in your house, right? You yourself just take it. Esha ka, just try. Esha ka, esha pustika. Practice like that. Esha, etat kim, etat kim, etat dura bhashanam, jangama dura bhashanam, mobile phone. Something like that. Right? You yourself take any object. If you don't know the object, list down the object and ask me next class, what is the word for this? We cannot know everything. It's difficult, but we can try. Okay. Fine. Now this is simple. This is for abhyasa, bhasha abhyasa, practicing. So one of you can read. So there is a conversation, interaction, just introduction, parichaya.
Mama
Please
nama
read.
Shah. Bhavatah nama kim? Mama nama Ramah.
So mama is, mama is
Mine.
Ennude.
my.
My name.
Sureshaha, like Suresha Shabda. Nama is also a Shabda, Naman Shabda, Napumsakalinga. We have not learned, don't worry. Mama Shashti Bhakti, Nama Ekavachanam, Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam, Sureshaha also Ekavachanam. Mama Nama Sureshaha, Asti. Asti is understood. Aham Sureshaha, Asmi you have to say. See, I am Suresh when you say, Aham when you use Asmi, right? Mama Nama Sureshaha is, you are telling my name is Suresh. So Mama Nama Suresha. Kriyapadam Asti is there, understood. Even if it is not said.
My name
it
is
implicit.
versus I am.
Sorry? Yeah.
My
My
name
name is and I am. Yes. Aham Sureshaha Asmi. That also same one. Mama Nama Sureshaha or Aham Sureshaha. Bhavataha is with respect. When you're addressing the seniors, elders, the teacher, Bhavataha. Otherwise, it will be Tava.
Tavana.
Tava is
Nama.
people of same age or same level. Tava namakim. Bhavataha is respect. The answer is Mama Nama
Ramahasti.
Ramaha. Similarly, Mama Nama Sureshaha. Now Srilinga.
Bhavatyaha nama kim?
Bhavatyaha. What vibhakti? Bhavatyaha.
It is
Shashti. Shashti vibhakti. Ekavacham Srilinga. Bhavatyaha. So you can note Bhavataha, Bhavatyaha. So when you ask the name of male, then Bhavataha Namakim, you ask a Srilinga, Bhavatyaha Namakim. The answer should be
Mama nama Lata.
Mama Nama Lata. Suppose if I ask you, Krishna Swamiji, Bhavataha Namakim or Bhavatyaha Namakim?
Bhavataha nama kim?
Bhavataha Namakim, Vadatu.
Mama nama Krishna Swamihi.
Krishna Swami. Then Chitraji, Bhavatyaha Namakim or Bhavataha Namakim?
I'm not able to know. Mama Nama Chit.
No. You answer the question. Should I ask you Bhavataha Namakim or Bhavatyaha Namakim?
भवत्याः नाम किम्?
भवत्याः नाम किं वदतु.
मम नाम चित्रा.
मम नाम चित्रा, right? Yes. What is the question?
In his case, in Krishna Swami's case, will it be Swami, me, Hrasva or Dirgha?
Krishna Swami, Dirgha.
So he says Mama Nama Krishna Swamihi or Krishna Swami
Krishna Swami.
without
Dirgha.
Visarga?
No, no Visarga. It's a different Shabda. Okay.
Because I remember he saying that Krishna Swamihi.
Yeah,
But I didn't hear.
Harishabda, I thought.
No, not like that.
It's not Harishabda, sir.
No, not like Harishabda. I heard Krishna Swami G. I thought you were calling yourself G. Okay, I was thinking about why you are calling yourself G, because I heard like that. Krishna Swami, you said, I didn't hear Krishna Swami G. Why he said Krishna Swami G is giving respect to himself. Okay, it's fine. Doesn't matter to me. So I thought it's okay. Oh, okay. Then I didn't hear that properly. Okay. Krishna Swami, it will be. Swami Vivekananda.
That's why I used.
Not like Harishabda. Okay. Our knowledge of Shabda is very limited. With limited itself, we are struggling. Tata and all. If we expand, and what will happen? You tell me. With the limited only, we are struggling with all the Purusha Vachanam. If I tell all the Nakaranta, all the Ananta Shabda, then what will happen? At one stretch, we cannot that never think. Swamin, Swami Vivekananda, Swami Dayananda, Swami Swamino Swaminaha. The decline should be like that. Anyway, leave that out. Now we will see later. Long way to go. Now, please read. One of you read. This is for Sambhashan, just interest, Parichaya.
Bhavataha nama kim? Mama nama Krishnaha. Bhavatyaha nama kim? Mama nama Radha.
So the answer over says Mama nama. But the question depends on the gender. Bhavataha, Bhavatyaha. Chitraji, how do you ask me? What is your name?
Sorry. Bhavataha nama kim?
Thank God you will not ask me Bhavatyaha nama kim. Okay. Now, let me quickly read this. One of you. Udaharam drishtva tadrisha vakyani likato. Yesha balakaha. This is a boy. That is a Saha Vriddaha. You can take this as your homework. Try all the Vachanam. Okay. In the class we will do only Eka Vachanam. We don't have time. Please do this as homework, all of you. Write it. All the Vachanam, for all the words here. I'll send you this. Okay. Second one, please read quickly. Anyone?
Eshaha Ganeshaha. Saha Govindaha.
Yes.
Saha Arakshikaha. Saha Sainikaha.
Very good.
Esha Sita. Sa Satya. Esha Balika. Sa Vridha. Esha Narni. Sa Savitri.
Very good. Next one.
Etat Pustakam Tat Griham. Etat Chatram Tat Phalam. Etat Pushpam Tat Krishna Phalakam. Etat Upanetram Tat Duradarshanam.
Yes. So we know this. Then number 4.
Okay.
Sa Balika Va. This is a question. Is she a Balika? Yes or no? Means yes. Na means no. Okay. Right? But then Sa Balika Va. You can ask like that. Tat Pustakam Va. Is that a book? Va means Prashnarte Va. Va means also we have got another meaning. Va means or, optional, right? This or that, either or. That is also Va only. But if you see Va, depends on the tone. How do you ask? Sa Balika Va. It's an interrogation. It's a question, right? So Ramaha Va Krishnaha Va Gachati. That is different. Either Rama or Krishna goes. There it is Va meaning it's the statement, it's not a question. But if you put Va and the other interrogation tone, then it is meaning is different. It's like a Kim. What? Is she a student? Okay. Sa Balika Va. Answer should be Sa Balika, yes. Similarly, the next one, second. Number 2 is
Saha Balakaha Va.
Yes.
Balakaha.
Saha balaka.
द्वारं
Third
वा
one.
तत् द्वारं वा आम् तत् द्वारं
Number 4.
सः सैनिकः वा न
Na.
so how
Saha.
सः वैद्यः
Saha Vaidyaha. Then number 5.
सः युवतिः
Sa.
ओ हा, सा युवतिः वा आम् सा युवतिः
Na. Sa Vruddha. Does it look like a
Rest of
Yuvati?
them are
Or
na,
you?
is it? Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't
Na.
understand how to.
Yuvati means young girl.
Ah,
Yuvati, don't think it is like Harishabda. It is Ikarantaha, Strilinga Shabda, that doesn't matter. But Yuvati is, she's not a Yuvati, she is Vruddha.
I did
Na.
not understand the correlation for
Yeah.
now.
Sa Vruddha. Okay. Last one.
तत् चित्रं वा it's a
Is it a picture?
na
It
na
depends on you. Yes, it's a picture or no, it's a, can say something. Na. Lokayanam, right? Similarly, now, Nirmala is a Balika. She is not a Yuvati. How do you ask this? You have to ask question and the answer should be accordingly. Va or na. Okay. How do you first ask question?
Nirmalava.
No. Nirmala is given proper noun. Sa
Va.
Nirmala va.
सा
Sa
निर्मला
Balika va visa. Huh? Nirmala Balika va. Question should be.
Oh.
Am.
Okay. Nirmala Balika va. Answer should be
Am.
because the tick mark is there. Nirmala Balika. And the Yuvatihi is there. Ask question again. Nirmala
Yuvativa.
Yuvatihi va. Answer should be
Na.
Nirmala
Nirmala
निर्मला
Balika or Nirmala na Yuvatihi, whatever it is. You can say like that also. Similarly, Rohini Vaidya.
Sa.
There is no
Rohini
sa not required.
Vaidya va.
Why do you require sa? Here proper nouns are given.
Rohini Vaidya va.
Rohini Vaidya va. Answer should be
na Vaidya
na. Rohini na Vaidya.
Vidyarthini.
विद्यार्थिनी
So you can make it one sentence. Na Rohini na Vaidya. Rohini Vidyarthini. In one sentence you can give. First you say no. You say she is not a Vaidya. She is Vidyarthini. Understand? Next third sentence. Maheshaha Vidyarthi. How do you ask?
महेशः विद्यार्थी वा
आम्
आम् महेशः विद्यार्थी महेशः वैद्यः वा न महेशः न वैद्यः
Saha Vidyarthi. Maheshaha Vidyarthi. You can say. Fourth one.
अनन्तः
अनन्तः शिक्षकः वा अनन्तः आम् अनन्तः शिक्षकः अनन्तः लिपिकारः वा न अनन्तः लिपिकारः न लिपिकारः
Lipikara means Lipi
Writer.
is script, writer. It's not a writer. Then fifth one, Devadatta.
देवदत्तः न्यायवादी वा न देवदत्तः न न्यायवादी देवदत्तः उट्टङ्ककः
Uttankakaha. Uttankakaha means typist.
ओ देवदत्तः उत्तङ्ककः वा आम् देवदत्तः उट्टङ्ककः
Nyayavadi means the lawyer.
ओके
Then
नागराजः चित्रकारः वा न नागराजः चित्रकारः न चित्रकारः कैन इट बी इंटरचेंज्ड शरणजी
see, Nagaraja Chitrakaraha va na. Nagaraja na Chitrakaraha. Nagarajaha Arakshakaha. You can say, make like.
ओके
Okay, I think this is about va. Next one, I think we have done already.
Kahakaki.
We remember the last class Sandhi. What Sandhi we saw?
Dirghasandhi.
Acha.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
दीर्घ संधि
The name for Sandhi, technical name is
संहिता
Samhita.
Andita.
So what is the condition for Dirgha Sandhi, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi to happen?
Ak followed by
Ak.
Swara.
Ak followed by
Savarna.
Savarna Ak.
Savarna.
What is Savarna?
Savarna.
స్థానం
Asya.
I Uru.
హాస్యం
What is Savarna?
Asya.
Savarna same Uchara Sthanam.
సిమిలర్ ఓవల్స్
Similar
Effort.
vowels. Savarna
Effort
means similar. Letters in vowels having or letters having same place of pronunciation. Ucharana Sthanam. Is my audio all right? Can you hear me? There's some no? Internet is unstable. Okay. So when Ak is followed by Savarna Ak, what will be the replacement? The word for replacement is
Adesha.
Adesha.
Dirgha Ak.
Dirgha Ak is the Adesha. What is Sthani?
Ak.
Which
Is the one that replaced.
Sthani is that which is replaced. Here, what is Sthani?
The ending letter of the
No,
First-
here, what is Sthani in the case of Savarna Dirgha
Ak.
Sandhi?
Ak. Ak.
Savarna Ak.
I Uru.
No. My question is not clear. In this case of this Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, which is a Sthani, which will, Savarna Dirgha Ak will replace what?
Both.
Both. That's the right answer. Both. Both will be replaced by the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the following. Both will be replaced by Savarna, corresponding Savarna Dirgha Ak. Right? Ak we know. A, E, U, R, L. L you can discount, not required. You can take A, E, U, R and bring all its Dirgha forms also. You don't have to bring all the 18 forms. So therefore you have got all the Dirgha Rupani, Dirgha forms. So when Ak is followed by Savarna Ak, both will be replaced by corresponding Savarna Dirgha Ak. Now, for understanding, I have written like this. The last letter of the Purva Padam could be any one of this. This is Ak. That is, you can call it as Sthani 1. And the first letter of the Parapadam could be any of this. Savarna, not any of them. Savarna Ak. This is Sthani 2. So Sthani 1 and Sthani 2, when they come to close proximity is what is called Sanghita, Sandhi. Then there will be Sandhi Karyam. That is also called by the name Sandhi. Now both will be replaced by one corresponding Dirgha Savarna Swara. Dirgha Savarna. Better to put Savarna also. Savarna, not any Swara. Savarna Swara. Savarna Swara will be the Dirgha Savarna Swara will be the Adesha. So this is our first rule. Please remember this. When Ak is followed by Savarna Ak, the last letter of the Purva Padam or the first letter of the Parapadam, Padam or Shabda, whatever it is. Okay. In the case of compound, it will be Shabda. In the case of individual words, we can call it as a Padam. Both will be replaced by the corresponding Savarna Dirgha Ak. So how many combinations will be there? Many combinations, right? The same thing I have written here, Akara, Ikara, Ukara, Rikara. Each will have 4 possibilities. So here you can see A is followed by A, or A is followed by Dirgha A, or A is followed by A, or A followed by A. The resultant would be, both will be replaced by Savarna, Dirgha, Akara, right? Similarly, Ikara followed by Ikara, or Ikara followed by Ikara, or Ikara followed by Ikara, or E plus E. The resultant would be E. Similarly, U plus Ukara followed by any of this. Ukara followed by Ukara or Ukara followed by Ukara, whatever it is, combination. The resultant would be Ukara, similarly for Ukara. Now this is in the table format is here. So any possibility, the first one you have 4 possibility. The resultant Adesha would be A. So A, E, U, this is U and R. Savarna Dirgha Adesha will be the Adesha, right? Now let us take some example. Gana plus Adipaha. Adipa, you take. Gana plus Adipa. We are joining to Shabda. Gana, the Purva Shabda. Ending with Akara. Don't say Na. Okay. What is the last letter of this word, Gana?
Akara.
Many will say Na. You should not say Na. You have to split Varna Vicheda. Krutva nakara
In,
plus akara.
in plus a.
Not even in. We should not say in. It is nakara plus a. What is in?
Nakar. Nakar.
In, in means I will type like this. In. This is in.
Okay,
This is
okay,
in,
okay. Okay, sir. Yes,
not
sir.
in.
Uh,
In is wrong.
Nakara
Nakara is
plus
proper. Nakara plus akara.
Akara.
Akara followed by, what is the first letter of the following?
Akara.
Akara. So therefore the a plus a. This a and followed by a. So are they not savarna? Yes.
Yes.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
the dirgha of a? What is the dirgha of this a? That is also a only.
Same.
So both will be replaced by dirgha
Ah.
savarna, which is akara. Therefore, gan plus a plus dipaha, gana dipaha.
Ah, Deepak.
Right?
Yes,
This is
sir.
Savana Sandhi. In fact, we chanted Nageshwara Sutra, not Nageshwara Sutra, Chiksha Sutra, or even here if you see. Ramena Bhigata. What vibhakti here it is there?
Na Sashti.
What is that? Vibhakti?
Ramena.
Ramena.
Satya.
Ramena plus
Vihita.
Abhigata. Abhigata means killed. Who are killed? Nishachara Chamuhu. Nishachara means those who move, or those who walk, or those who live in dark. Who are they?
Asuras.
Asuras.
Chamuhu is army. This is
Okay.
Dvitiya. This is object. Dvitiya Vyakti Bhagavachanam. We have not seen the Shabda, don't worry. So, here it is in Kartari, Karmani, passive voice. Okay, therefore this is in Pratama Vyakti. Nishachara Chamuhu means the army of the Asuras were killed by Rama. Ramena Abhigata. Ramena plus Abhigata. Ramena Abhigata. Sandhi. Savan Dirgha Sandhi has happened here. Ramena Abhigata Nishachara Chamuhu. Right? Similarly, in I think in Shiksha Sutram also.
In Padanta also, right? Pada plus Anta.
Pada plus Anta, Padanta. Yes. Nasika Anuswarasya. Nasika Strilinga. Like Rama. Rame. Ramaha Nasika, Nasike, Nasikaha. Nasika plus Anuswarasya.
God.
Nasika Anuswarasya.
Nasikanuswara.
A plus A. Nasika Anuswarasya. We can join and then chant also. Our choice only. Sandhi between the words are not mandatory. These are individual padam. Nasika is a padam. Anuswara is another padam. Sandhi between the individual words. No, there is no compulsion. There's no, ma'am. It's not mandatory. You can see here. Where sandhi is in samhitaika pade, eka pade, within a word, sandhi is nitya, is a must. Similarly, between a dhatu, here also, dhatu upasarga yoho, sandhi is a split this.
Dhatuhu upasargayoho.
Not dhatu, dhatu.
Upasarga.
Dhatu, it's a compound. Dhatu plus upasarga. Dhatu upasarga. U plus u. Right?
Sharanji, if you say dhatuhu, then this sandhi will not.
That's a compound. Dhatuhu means visarga is there. How can you join that? The last letter should be ukara, right? Dhatuhu, when you say the last letter is visarga, uhu, not u. You cannot join uhu plus u. Uhu is different. Uhu means it is us, sakara is there, us, visarga is there. Please note, we are not saying uhu. Understand? So don't confuse with dhatuhu is pratama vibhakti ekavachanam of dhatu shabda. So dhatu plus upasarga, dhatu upasarga. The last class I explained about compound. Remember, Rameshwara. So dhatu plus upasarga is a pratipadikam. That when you decline dhatu upasarga like Ramayoho, dhatu upasarga yoho. Ramayoho what vibhakti?
Tritya.
Huh? Not Tritiya.
Shashti.
Shashti.
Dvitiya.
Dvivachanam.
We also can do.
Ramayoho. Saptami also is there. Shashti also it is there. So you can dhatu upasarga yoho. Between the dhatu and upasarga, we can take either saptami. Saptami also you can take. Nitya. What Nitya? Samhita, Sandhi is a must between a dhatu and upasarga. Upasarga means prefix. So within a word, Sandhi is a must. Between dhatu and upasarga, Sandhi is a must. Within a compound, Nitya, Samase, yeah, also one space must be there. Samase within a compound, Sandhi is a must. So in these three places, Sandhi must be done, no choice. Within a word, between dhatu and upasarga, and within a compound. In all other places, vivaksham apekshate. Sa, why sa? Because nitya is strilinga. That's why sa. Sa nitya na. Sa vivaksham apekshate. Sa samhita. Sorry, samhita is strilinga. Therefore sa is there. Sa samhita vivaksham apekshate. Depends on the speaker. It's all speaker's wish. He can do sandhi, he need not do sandhi. That's why nasika anuswarasya, my wish. I can say nasika anuswarasya or nasika anuswarasya because sandhi between the individual padams. Right? Sandhi between the individual padam. I say padam, not shabda. Please note. If it is a compound, I would say it's a shabda. That's why in the beginning itself I'm saying I use the word padam as shabda. Both I use. Pada means two individual words. Shabda is within a compound, two words, so other shabdas are there. That sandhi is a must. You understand? So, therefore, you can see here in all the places we use Savana Dirgha sandhi. Now, Parama plus Artha. What is the sandhi? A plus A will become
Paramartha.
Paramartha. Deva plus Ashraya.
Devashraya.
Deva plus Alaya.
Devalaya.
A plus A. Maha plus Akrama.
Akrama.
Uma is Uma, the person. Agachate is past tense. Uma went. Uma plus Agachate.
Avagraha comes. Is it?
That's okay.
Uma gachat.
Uma Agachate. Why? If Avagraha is not there, also it's okay.
Gachate.
It's same only. Uma Agachate. Because Avagraha is there, then how do you read this? You read same way, no?
Pronunciation will be same. But
Same.
while writing, will.
Writing is not a must.
Yes.
I write here for you to appreciate that here akara is elided. Okay, splitting will be easy. That is why avagraha is there. Avagraha tells you that akara is there, right? Brahma plus ananda.
Ananda.
Mata agachati.
Gachati.
Suppose here if I write mata agachati and if you want you to split, then you may split mata agachati. But that is not.
Yes.
Two avagraha means one avagraha stands for akara. So two means akara. Agachati. Mata agachati means comes.
Coming.
Understand? Ima plus alayah.
Himalaya.
Vidya plus arti.
Vidyarthi.
Vidya plus alayah.
Vidyalaya.
Bhima plus Arjuna.
Arjuna.
Comes in Gita, first chapters. Bhima Arjuna Samayudhi. Bhima plus Arjuna, Bhima Arjuna. Right? Parama plus Artaha. Parama plus Artha. Paramartha. Rasa plus Aswadaha. Asaswadaha. Alpa plus Aparadaha.
Alpaparada.
Aparada means mistake. Small mistake. Daitya plus Arihi.
Daitya.
Daitya means demons, Asura. Arihi is enemy. So demons are the enemies. Daitya Arihi. In Devi Mahatma and all you will see Daitya Arihi like that.
Means Devas. Is it?
Huh?
Means Devas, is it?
Yeah, Daitya Anamarihi. Yes, you're right. The enemy of Daitya, the demons are Deva. Devaha, Suraha, Amaraha. Iha plus Amutra.
Iha.
Mutra.
Iha Mutra, Palabhoga, Viragaha, Vairagyaha, Vairagyam. Comes right? Darbha plus Asanam.
Bhasanam.
Darbhasanam. Na plus Anyata.
Nanyatha.
Nanyatha. Brahma plus Andam.
Brahmandam.
Adya api. Adya plus api.
Yapi.
Adyapi.
Napi.
Napi.
We'll do the reverse. Rama seed. How do you split this?
Rama plus Asi.
Joining is easy. Splitting is difficult. Splitting, you should know the language,
Yes,
vocabulary.
Rama Asi.
Tata plus Tata gacchami. How do you split?
Tथा plus agacchami.
Tata
Agachami.
agacchami. Shishtacharaha.
Achara.
Achara.
Achara. You know what means Shishtachara means? Achara, the
To be
actions
followed
of the
by.
Shishta Purusha,
Why
the
is
noble
it
people.
shishta? It is not shishtaha there. In
Shishtaha means then what Sandhi you will apply? Tell me. What is the last
Visarga.
letter of the? How do you make Sandhi then? Shishtaha, Shishta, they are not same. Do you think it is
Yes,
same?
Visarga.
What is the rule?
Visarga.
The last letter of the previous padam.
But
What is the last
Sami
letter then?
Akara, no.
Huh?
Yes.
Savarna.
Yeah, it is not. So here is visarga. It is not akara. If I put
Then
shishta,
what? Then will you get Shishtachara?
we won't get. We will not get. So I want. My question was the shishta is a pratipadik. What is the linga of that? That is why I asked the question.
Linga is Pulinga.
For shishta, just shishta.
Hmm.
Without the linga. So it is a pratipadikam here. There is Rama is okay. Fine. That's all.
It's okay. It's a Pratipadikam. Now I remove Shishta plus Achara, Shishtachara.
Okay.
Okay. Parama plus Ananda.
Paramananda.
Paramananda. Okay. Parama plus Atma.
Paramatma.
Paramatma.
It's not Paramatma. Parama plus Atma. Paramascha Asuvatma. Compound it is. Shashanka.
Shanka.
Plus
Shasha plus Anka. Anka means mark. Shasha is rabbit. It's referring to the moon. Shashanka. Right? Krodha plus Agnihi.
Prodakni.
Krodha Agnihi. It's a compound. Krodha plus Agnihi, you cannot make it. Krodha plus Agnihi will have a completely different word. Karya plus Alaya.
Karyalaya.
Karya. Tava plus Asmi. This is they are individual words.
Tava.
Tava is you.
You.
Asmi is I am. Two individual words here. Therefore, compound is optional. Tava Asmi. Tava Asmi also. Similarly here, Tata plus Astu.
Tadastu.
Tathastu. We say no in chanting. Tathastu.
Yes.
Maha plus Arnava.
Mahar.
Maha plus Arnava. Arnava means ocean. Maharnava. Maharnava is a compound. You can decline like Ramashabda. Aduna plus Avam.
Navam.
Mangala plus Asanam.
Kamalasanam.
Kamala plus Asana. Kamalasana. When you decline Napumsakalinga, Kamalasanam, Kamalasane, Kamalasani, Kamalasanani. Shiva plus Akara.
Shivakara.
Shivakar. Ganga plus Avatarana.
Gangavatarana.
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 And you can decline Gangavataranam. Vishaya plus Ananda.
Ananda.
Ishyananda.
Brahma plus Ananda.
Brahmananda.
Asya plus Asanda. Asanda means, okay, Asanda is it's an individual word. Asya is also an individual padam. Asandaha also. Asya plus Asandaha
Asyasanda.
is chair. Satya plus Agragaha. Satyagraha. Vidya plus Avidya. Vidya independent words. Vidya. Rajasa plus Amshaha.
Raja.
Ha plus ha only. After that, Bindu. Rajasamshaha. Na plus Asataha.
Nasat.
Nasato vidyate bhavaha. Nabhavo vidyate. Same. Similarly, Veda Vinashi, there in Gita. Veda Vinashi. How do you split? Veda plus
Avinashi.
Avinashi. Not Veda plus Vinashi. We don't have any Veda here. Veda plus Avinashi. You cannot split Vedaha iti also. Visarga is, how can you suddenly become Visarga? That Sandhi will be different. It will become Visarga Sandhi. Veda plus Avinashi. Veda Vinashi. Right? Cha plus Avekshya.
Shanti, I have a question.
Yeah.
Vidya plus avidya we've written. We don't need to put the avagraha symbol in when we write.
It's not like that, your choice. There's no, I mean, it's not a must.
So
Cha
the
plus
avagraha symbol is not a
Visarga,
must.
it's not a must. It is only for the sake of our splitting only we put like this. Cha plus Avekshya.
Savekya.
Vartama plus Anuvartante.
Vartaman.
Vartaman Vartate.
No, but not Vartama. Vartmano. Mama Vartmanu Vartante Manushya Partha Sarvashaha. Where is that? In Gita.
Vartante.
You will see many they have taken from Gita examples. Vartmanu Vartante. Labha Labha. Labha plus Alabha.
Labha.
Labha Labho Jaya Jayo. Right? Okay. Taya plus Apagrita. Apagritaha.
Apakritaha.
Taya Apagrita Chetasa. Comes in Gita 10th chapter. Nitya Nitya Vastu Vivekaha. Nitya plus
Nitya.
Nitya.
Anitya.
Nitya.
Nitya. Okay, not required. We can make like this. Nitya, Nitya means you should understand. Dharma plus adharma.
Dharma.
Dharma, dharma. Right? Similarly, even now that we will see in the next class.
Sharanji,
This
that
is-
means putting avagraha itself is always optional.
Avagraha is not a rule, okay? We just read, publisher, they publish, or, we write for it's a split, for easy split. That's it.
For
You have
understanding.
to understand the context and then split accordingly. Context important. Okay, so we'll stop here. Remember Savana Dirgha Sandhi. I think I'm going at a slow pace only. You can follow, right?
Yes, sir.
You need to practice that with pronouns and other forms of forming sentences. Please practice. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. So at this point, some people will drop. This is all that happens in Sanskritam. When practice to be done, there will be some dropping. Sanskritam, to stay with Sanskritam is not easy because people are not ready to practice. What can we do? No. That's why in my, people who are not regular, I also remove them. And people who do not work, they also will go away. I don't have to. So at the end, you will see 5 or 6 people sticking throughout. This is how it happens in all my classes I have seen. See, they have to practice, right? No practice, you expect the result. How it will happen? It's a miracle. Nothing happens. You cannot produce anything by miracle. You have to work. One has to work, right? Oh, one person has messaged me like that. Anyway, but nothing happens by miracle. You have to put effort. And they say Sanskritam is difficult. Without tears. What tears? Then you should enjoy learning Sanskritam, right? Practice. It's a matter of practice on. If it is the Gurukulam, then what will happen? People will jump from one group to other group. The easiest group is the lower group is there, that they will go. Because you are free not to learn. Anyway, their choice. That's why I asked whether the space is okay, right? Is the pace fine, right? It's a pace.
Yes.
Fine, sir.
Okay. Okay. I mean, so for some people, it may be very slow, I think. I'm not sure because you are prepared, I wanted to learn Sutra and other things. For others, it will be fast. So we need to make some balance on that. Okay. Okay. Dhanyavada. We will see next class.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Dhanyavada.
Sharanji, is it dhanyavadaha or dhanyavadaha?
Both you can say, no problem. Bhagavachan. Dhanyavadaha.
Namaskarangal.
Namaskarangal. Yeah. In English, it doesn't look like that. Only there. Thanks. What thanks? Thanks means Bhagavachanam in English. Maybe. So, Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyosmi. Dhanyashtakam is there. No?
Even in English, we say many thanks.
Many thanks. Yeah, we say many. Yeah, many thanks. Yes.
But while saying thank you, there's
Huh?
no yes. While saying thank you, no yes.
No?
Yes,
Plural.
yes
No.
is not added.
No, plural,
Thank
Yeah,
you.
sir.
While saying,
Yeah, but many thanks. Say thanks. Many thanks. Yeah, thank you. In English it is Ekavacham. Thank you.
yeah.
So
Dhanyavadaha plus asmi. That sandhi is not Dhanyavada asmi. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Visarga is there.
Visarga is there.
The
Correct.
last letter of the
Dhanyavadaha.
first word is not a. It is Visarga. So you cannot just a plus Visarga cannot just take it for granted, remove that and then a plus a. No. That comes under Visarga sandhi. Dhanyavadosmi it is.
I remind.
Visarga becomes O.
O becomes. How does it become O? That is what we are going to see. Okay. Dhanyavadosmi becomes O, Gunasandhi, then O, then Pararupa Sandhi, then becomes Dhanyosmi. In fact, that word is there even in our the Rama Shloka. Dasosmyaham. They're all same thing only. Here, Ramo Rajamani. Ramasya Dasosmyam. Dasaha Asmi Aham. Dasosmyaham. Same thing. Dhanyosmi. Yes, me is there. Asmi is there. Asmi is hidden. You have to find out. Read that. Aham Asmi. I am. Dasaha. Daso. Dasaha becomes Daso. By Sandhi. Daso. That is Dasaha plus Asmi plus Aham. Dasosmyaham. Similarly, Danyaha plus Asmi plus Aham. Dhanyosmyaham. It become same thing. Right? We'll learn that. Okay. Dhanyavada. You can now see the Gita, Arvindji, and then find out what are all the Savana Dirgha Sandhi to start with. Okay.
Bharata plus Arshabha, Bharatarshabha.
No, that is not like that. Bharata plus
Dirgha there.
Bharata plus Rishabha, plus not Savana at all.
Rishabha.
Not Bharatarshabha. It is Bharatarshabha, different Sandhi. Guna Sandhi it is.
Correct.
It is a Guna Sandhi. We will learn what are Guna letters with the letters. Bharata plus Rishabha, Bharatarshabha. Purusha plus Rishabha, Purushashabha. Right? Krishna Arjuna. Krishna plus Arjuna, Krishna Arjuna. There Krishna plus Arjuna, not Krishnaha plus Arjuna. Arjunaha. If it is Krishnaha plus Arjuna, then become Krishnorjuna. Krishnorjuna it will become. Krishnorjunaha. Okay. Okay. Hey. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadas, sir.
Saranji.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavadaha.